There is a movement in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. The NCB, investigating the drugs angle, has now arrested Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate Siddharth Pitani. Siddharth Pitani, an insider in the Sushant Singh Rajput residence, knew everything about Sushant and the entire circle. He has now been arrested by the NCB, which believes he was part of a larger ring which was involved in drug sale and drug trafficking. He's been remanded to 5 days of custody, and we have Alisha, Yesha and Aneri joining us on the broadcast. Let me go across to Yesha first from Mumbai. Yesha, during our coverage of the Sushant Singh Rajput case, one person who came up often as someone who knew the intricate details about everything about Sushant Singh Rajput was Siddharth Pitani. He's been arrested by the NCB. What do we know about the case made out by the NCB against Siddharth Pitani so far?
That's right, Niranjan. So, as you mentioned, that Siddharth Pitani has been sent to 5 days of judicial custody. He has been charged under the 27A, 28 and 29 sections of the NDPS Act. Now, what that really means is we're trying to understand that this Siddharth Pitani was on the radar of NCB, as we get to know from NCB sources. He was on their radar for the longest time. He had been not responding to their summons, as a result of which NCB team reached Hyderabad yesterday and has arrested him. As a result of which today he was produced before the court. Now the fact that he's been sent to a 5-day remand, he'll be questioned further. Now what we understand from NCB is that Siddharth Pitani's messages, that some electronic evidence have been procured by them through the CBI statements that he had made. What we know is last year, after Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, there were 3 parallel investigations that were being conducted. One by the CBI, one by the ED and another by the NCB. Now NCB under this 1620 case had clearly interrogated various people, which includes some of the celebrities as well, and had produced a charge sheet. The charge sheet clearly mentions the role of all these people. Now Siddharth Pitani, considering he was a flatmate, he was also under the radar because it was known that he was providing, he would have been possibly providing drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput, and that's why his role is now very crucial. Also the fact that he was among the few people who was there with Sushant Singh Rajput in the last few hours of his death is also another role that's being questionable as to what really happened in those last few crucial moments. Now what we understand of Siddharth Pitani is that because now that he is involved in a larger drug nexus, because that's what has been revealed by the NCB sources, wherein they've mentioned that through the electronic evidence, it's his role in the larger drug nexus, that is his role in the distribution of ganja, that's being questioned, which is why his arrest is pretty crucial. And now the investigation will be done by the NCB. Possibly there'll be some more names that can come up in this entire investigation that we'll get to know as the NCB goes ahead and investigates. Yes, Niranjan.
Now what we know as of this minute is that there was also a CBI angle in this, because the CBI was investigating Siddharth Pitani, and we are learning that the NCB collected the data dump and the phone dump of Siddharth Pitani from the CBI. NCB collected data from the CBI and they found something there. Aneri, what do we know about where Siddharth Pitani has been? Because the NCB claims that he has not been responding to their notices or summons.
Well, that's right, Niranjan. Now, when we speak about the Siddharth Pitani case, well, the NCB on 25th of May reached Hyderabad, and also along with the sub-zonal division of NCB team reached at the location, and also Siddharth Pitani was not responding to the notices which were issued to him, and later he was absconding since last few months. But now what we are learning is that Siddharth Pitani has been arrested by the NCB team on 26th of May. But since last few months, where was Siddharth Pitani is a major question, because NCB has very clearly stated that Siddharth Pitani wasn't responding to the notices, and also there were searches for his lookout was going on since a long time. But earlier also we had seen Siddharth Pitani residing at his Hyderabad residence, and later, after getting a crucial information in regard with Siddharth Pitani being in Hyderabad, NCB team from Mumbai reached Hyderabad, and along with that a sub-zonal team of NCB checked out at various locations in regard with Siddharth Pitani being in Hyderabad, and later he was taken into custody, and later he was produced at the Hyderabad court, where the court had given transit. The court had granted transit for Siddharth Pitani to be moved to Mumbai, and later we saw today Siddharth Pitani being questioned, being interrogated by the NCB officials. But yes, where was Siddharth Pitani all these days? Why wasn't he responding to the notices given by the NCB is a question at large, which remains to be seen. What will be the outcome of this interrogation by the NCB? Because we have been seeing he being a crucial, playing a crucial role in the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
Okay. Yesha and Aneri, stay with me. When the CBI was looking into this case, Republic TV questioned Siddharth Pitani. In fact, Siddharth Pitani was called in several times, multiple times, by the CBI in Mumbai. He was questioned for hours together. We had questioned him back then. Here's a small sequence when Republic TV questioned Siddharth Pitani in 2020 on what he knew and what he had said to the CBI back then.
सिद्धार्थ मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ड्राइव 8 तारीख को मुझे बताइए 8 तारीख को हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट हुआ था 8 तारीख को हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट हुआ था रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा है आपसे डेटा डिलीट हुआ था हार्ड ड्राइव से आपने बताया है क्या था डेटा क्या डेटा था हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा क्या था मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
आपका हाथ आ रहा है
हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा सिद्धार्थ हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा रिपब्लिक पूछ रहा हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा आपने बताया हार्ड ड्राइव आपने सर हिलाया हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा
आपका हाथ
हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था मैं पूछ रहा हूँ हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ
आपका हाथ
8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था
आपका हाथ
सिद्धार्थ 8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था सिद्धार्थ हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था सिद्धार्थ 8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था या नहीं सिद्धार्थ 8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ था या नहीं बोलिए सिद्धार्थ चल गाड़ी में गाड़ी में चल 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 गाड़ी जल्दी चल 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 सिद्धार्थ मुझे बताइए 8 तारीख को डेटा डिलीट हुआ था आप बताइए मैं चला जाऊंगा
नो कमेंट्स प्लीज
8 तारीख को डेटा डिलीट हुआ था क्या कुछ लोग आए थे
वेट लेट मी स्पीक लेट मी फिनिश राइट नाउ वी आर स्टक and I want to go home and sleep.
I know. मेरे सिर्फ 3 सवालों के जवाब दे दीजिए.
I'll answer you. First of all, I have told everything to CBI. I am not answerable to anyone. If you please let me go right now.
मैं आपको जाने दूंगा. मेरे सिर्फ 3 सवालों के जवाब दे दीजिए. क्या हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट हुआ था?
No comments.
क्या लोग आए थे? क्या आपने बताया है कि जो है हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट किया गया?
मैंने जो भी क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने पूछा ना मैंने उनको सही जवाब दे दिया है. So अभी कल मुझे वापस उन्होंने बुलाया है सो प्लीज लेट मी गो राइट नाउ प्लीज
आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब तो दे दीजिए
मैं
क्या 13 तारीख को लोग आए थे
जो भी हमारे घर पे आए थे ना मैंने उनके बता दिया